So my name is Safra, and the course that I was on was Data Analysis with SQL, with Excel, SQL, and Power BI. I found it to be a really enjoyable experience. The onboarding process was so easy. Applying for it and course induction, everything was really easy. I liked having the routine of it every day to sit down. It was quite motivating in a sense because you're accountable to all the other learners in the course and you have your tutor, so it was nice to have that routine and to sit down every day for the course. It's not something that I ever thought I would be doing. I don't have a technical background. It's not something I ever imagined myself doing, but I found that I really enjoyed it and I did learn lots of new things, but I think you need to be motivated and put effort in to actually achieve that. Something that I really enjoyed learning was using Power BI and how to visualize data. I think that will come in handy in the future.